The Rivers State House of Assembly, loyal to Governor Siminalayi Fubara, screened and confirmed the commissioner nominee Dagogo Iboroma, and the legislative duties were conducted in the government house in Port Harcourt. There is more in this report.
This is the first direct challenge to the Martin Amehule-led group of members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. They are here to receive Governor Siminalayi Fubara's commissioner nominee for screening. The agenda for this sitting clears any doubt about which of the groups the governor considers as legitimate.
All those in favor that Iboroma Dagogo SAN should be confirmed as a commissioner in the Rivers State Executive Council, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it.
While answering questions about his qualification, Mr. Dagogo Iboroma said he can excel in any portfolio assigned to him.
At the point we were confirmed, we took an oath of loyalty to the government of Nigeria. By extension, that oath applies to the Rivers State government and the people of Rivers State. Thank you, sir.
But the nominee, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, is seen as a quick replacement for his colleague SAN, who resigned from the position of Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General.
The first question people should be asking them.
Well, earlier, I spoke with Liberos Oshioma, and that was him talking about his stance on goings-on in Rivers State.
Question people should be asking themselves, even the judges should ask themselves this question. Can 5 members validly suspend 27 members? Can 5 members sit down and impeach a speaker to now appoint a speaker by themselves? It is an aberration that we saw 5 members pass a budget. And now it is even more shameful that before we were talking about 5, now we have 4. 4 members elect a speaker amongst them. And so you have a house of 4 members, 1 speaker. And you now begin to ask yourself, and you see a court sat down, there an ex parte order, granted an order that the 27 members should stop parading themselves as members of the House.
Let's get more perspectives. The legal practitioner Monday Ubani joins me on the news. Thanks for joining us at this time. Your colleagues have given us different interpretations on who is right and who is wrong. In your view, who is following the law? Is it the 27 or the 4?
Yeah. Well,
Mr. Bani, the audio seems quite bad.
Are you hearing me?
I can hear you now.
Yes,
now I can hear you. You may please go ahead.
Okay, I'm saying what is going on in Rivers is clearly a theater of that sort. Things are happening in quick succession that for any fair-minded individual, you would be totally be in a state of confusion as to what is happening, with the issue of defection of the 27 members of the House to another political party. Of course, the Constitution is very clear that if you are a member elected on a political platform and you now defect to another, you are said to have lost a seat, except you can do 2 things. Prove one, there is a division in the political party you are coming from, or there was issue of merger. If you're able to prove those 2 points, then you are not going to lose your seat. So if you're now alleged, maybe we're moving to another political party, there is a division, and another person now says, no, there is no division. My attitude and my own understanding of the law is that it's only the court, a court of competent jurisdiction, that will make a pronouncement, whether there is a division factually or not. Following which, if you are not able to prove there is a division or merger, then you lose your seat. That pronouncement has to come from the court. But that my colleagues now are now saying, oh, you have lost your seat automatically, and that there shouldn't be any pronouncement of the court. I'm finding it very difficult to really toe that line, that part, that our colleagues are doing in terms of saying that those members have lost their seat automatically. I'm of the view that as long as the Constitution has given an exception, except you prove that there is a division or merger, It then means that if another person says there is no division, there is no merger, issues are joined, which can only be determined by a court of competent jurisdiction. Of course, which particular institution have the right to determine rights and liabilities of citizens that the Constitution itself has conferred with the power to do that is the court. It's only the court that can make that pronouncement that somebody has lost his seat in a house. It's only the court that can make that particular pronouncement. But what we're hearing now from many lawyers, they are saying, oh, you have lost your seat automatically. There shouldn't be any need for any pronouncement or recourse to any court proceedings. So I'm finding it difficult as an individual and as a lawyer to really toe that line, that they are told yes.
Legal practitioner Monday Ubani, thank you very much for talking to us on TVC News at 10.